Hello friends, we're gonna learn about vehicles. Let's start.
This is a red sports car. Look, the car is driving. This is a yellow car. This is also a yellow car. Oh look, it's a blue airplane. This airplane is flying. And this airplane as well.
This is a motorcycle.
Look, the orange motorcycle is driving. And the rainbow motorcycle is driving away as well. Oh wow, look, it's a huge cruise ship. This is a small ship. Ah, look, it's a rainbow pirate ship. This is a yellow school bus. Look, the kids are going to school. And these kids as well.
This is a canoe. Look, the kids are in the canoe. There are more kids that are in the canoe.
Ah, look, a train. And this is a small rainbow train. Wow, this train is huge. This is a helicopter. This is a small helicopter and it's orange. Ah, look, it's a patrol helicopter. And this is a bike. Oh, another bike. Look, the kid is riding its bike. And this is a grown-up riding his bike. Look, a hot air balloon. This one is up in the sky and there are multiple. This is a small hot air balloon. Look, an old boat. This is a boat with lots of kids and they're playing. Look, it's another boat. Bye bye everyone.